Dear children, human brain consists of 100 billion nerve cells. Human brain consists of 100 billion nerve cells. The largest part of the human brain is cerebrum. This cerebrum has the unique capacity of storing information. The unique capacity of storing information, we call it as memory power. As I told you, the cerebrum is the largest part of the brain, and human brain consists of 100 billion cells. 100 billion cells means to say that all the human beings have the immense power of storing the information. That means you all have the highest memory power. Only thing is you need to concentrate. Saying so, we are dealing with arithmetic progression, exercise 1.2, sixth problem. The sixth problem asks us about check whether minus 150 is the term of the AP 11, 8, 5, 2, etc. So we have to check whether minus 150 falls under this AP. Did you understand, children? Once again, check whether minus 150 is a term of AP. Now see that. 11. Is 11 term of the AP? Yes. How you say 11 is the term of AP? Because 11 is present in this AP and 11 is the first term. 11 is the first term. Means when A is equals to 11, A is equals to 11, N is equals to 1. First term. 8 is the second term. Second term. When A2 is equals to 8, then N is equals to 2. As you can see that N value we are getting whole numbers. Whole numbers. If minus 150 falls under this AP, if minus 150 falls under this AP, then we should get the whole number for the N value. When we get the whole number for the N value, then we can say that minus 150 is the term of AP. Did you understand, children? As you can see that 11, 8, 5, 2. For all this 11, 8, 5, 2, N value is the whole number. N equals 1, N equals 2, N equals 3, N equals 4, like that it's coming, right? For minus 150, if N value becomes whole number, then we will say that the number minus 150 is the term of AP. Did you understand, children? What we need to do to solve this problem? As usual, you know that nth term formula, take nth term formula and take the value of A, N, D, etc. and substitute here and you will get the value of N. If the value of N is the whole number, then it is the term of AP. Now, come let's do the problem. If minus 150 is the term of AP, then N should be the whole number, we have told already. What are the things given here? The given first term is A is equals to 11. First term you can see that A is equals to 11. AP means it should have common difference. How you find common difference? As usual, you have been solving the problem. D is equals to second term minus first term. What is second term? Second term is 8. First term is minus. First term is 11. So 8 minus 11 is equals to minus 3. We got common difference minus 3. Now we have to find whether minus 150 is the term of AP or not. So we do not know where this 150 falls. So what we do is let AN, let this be in the nth term. So we take that as let AN is equals to minus 150. Let AN is equals to minus 150. Now we will find what is the value of N. For AN is equals to 150, what should be the value of N? We will find that. Okay? If it is whole number, then it becomes term. If it is not, then it is not a term. Now, we know the nth term formula. AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 times D. Substitute the value. AN we have given as minus 150. That I have substituted here is equals to A is equals to 11. As you can see, first term plus N value. We need to find that N minus 1 and D value we have found, that is minus 3. So we have substituted here. Again the second step, minus 150 is equals to 11. Multiply this minus 3 to N as well as minus 1. Minus 3 into n minus 3n, minus into minus plus 1, 3 times 3. Understand, children? See once again, minus 3 to be multiplied with n minus 1. Okay? Why? Because it is n minus 1 times d. N minus 1 times d means d to be multiplied with both. Here d value about minus 3. So n minus 1 times minus 3. Therefore we have multiplied minus 3 into n minus 3n, minus into minus plus 1 3 times 3. Minus 150 is equals to, as you can see here, 11 plus 3. These are the constant terms. We should not 11 plus minus 3 we should not do because it is not a constant term. It is minus 3 times n. So we should not add 11 and this one. Okay, we have to add only constant. Plus 11 plus 3 is equals to 14. Minus 3n kept as it is. Now to eliminate minus 14, what we do is add minus 14. Since plus 14 is there, add minus 14 on the both the sides. After adding minus 14 plus 14 gets cancelled up. What is remaining is minus 3n, and here minus I told long back should be added. We are adding minus 150 minus 14 is nothing but minus 164. Now since we have to find the n value, divide both the sides by minus 3. Divide both the sides by minus 3. Thus we get minus 164 by minus 3 is equals to minus 3n by 3. Minus 3 gets cancelled. Minus 1 gets cancelled. What is remaining is n is equals to 164 by 3. N is equals to 164 by 3. Now we have to see that whether 164 is divisible by 3 or not. Whether 164 is divisible by 3 or not. How will you come to know? Very simple methods are there. Okay. So whether 164 is the factor of 3 or not, whether 164 is the multiple of 3 or not, how you find that? Just you add the digits. 1 plus 6 plus 4. If you add the digit, you will get 11. Now see whether 11 is the multiple of 3 or not. No. Whether 11 is not the multiple of 3. For example, 3 1 times 3, 2 times 6, 3 times 9, 4 times 12 it becomes 11 is not the multiple of 3. Since 11 is not the multiple of 3, it is not possible to divide 164 by 3. If you divide, you will not get even numbers. Okay, even division, whole number you will not get. You will get fraction. You will get the fraction. If you get the fraction, then n value will not take at all. So n value should be the whole number. N value should be whole number for AP. So now here you get fractions. After dividing 164 by 3, you will get the fraction. 164 is not divisible by 3. Therefore, we clearly say that n is not a whole number, and hence minus 150 is not the term of AP. Minus 150 is not the term of AP. Why? Minus 150 is not term of AP. Why? Because 164 is not divisible by 3. We are not getting a whole number. We are getting the fraction. Fraction. Something 56.4 you will get after dividing this. Understand, children? 56.4 is not the whole number. Thus we will say that minus 150 is not the term of AP. If it is the whole number, then we would have told that minus 150 is the term of AP. Did you understand? Clearly understand. N is equals to 164 by 3 is not the whole number. Is not the whole number. Therefore, minus 150 is not the term of AP. Did you understand, children? We will see the next problem in the next video. Thank you, children.